Christopher Krapp joins MiboSport as a team driver. Dominic Vogel with Yokomo Racing Factory team touring. SWorkz has a World's Edition conversion kit for the S35 for 1/8 scale buggy, as used with multiple parts by Juan Carlos Canas to win a third place on the podium of the World Championship. This is the Sanwa MTR middle range radio. Hobby Wing has a motor tester and tuner. It's called Tunalyzer and has multiple functions for your motors. By MiboSport, Drift King series of drift servos. By SWorkz, a steering plate for the associated RC8 B4 machine.